Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix if scroll bar not showing in Microsoft Excel. So the first method is you can enable scroll bar in Excel setting. So first you need to open the Excel, then after go to file, go to options. In the last option, go to the advanced tab in here. So you need to scroll down until you find display option for this workbook option. Make sure both show horizontal scrollbar and show vertical scrollbar is ticked like this. If it is unticked, you have to tick this one like this. Then after tap on OK. The second method is you have to check if scrollbar is minimized. Sometimes scrollbar will be minimized. So in the bottom right corner you can see there are 3 dots in here. When your mouse pointer over this, you can see it is changed like this. So you have to click and drag and drop it like this. So now you can see it is maximized. The next method is you have to resize or restore the Excel window. Sometimes your Excel window is maximized or sized oddly. Scroll bar might disappear off the screen. Try to restore down like this or expand like this. Then try check if it is visible or not. And the next method is disable scroll lock on keyboard. Ensure the scroll lock key on your keyboard is turned off. If scroll lock is turned on, it can cause scroll bar page scrolling behaviors unexpectedly. Make sure it is turned off. And the final method is restart Excel or repair Office. If none of the above methods are not working, save your work and restart the Excel. If issue is persist, consider running Office repair from the you need to go to the search bar and type control panel, tap on it. Make sure view by set as the large icons. Then after find the programs option here. You can see programs and features. Simply tap on it. Select the Microsoft Office Professional. Select the change option. In my case, there is another user logged in my computer. That's why it's not showing. So you can, if you see that kind of thing, tap on continue. So there's option for quick repair. Just tap on repair option. It will repair the Excel file if it is corrupted. So these are the methods you can try to fix scroll bar not showing on the Microsoft Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.